Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to exchange Bitcoin to PayPal. All right, so let's start. Now for this video, we are going to use a service from a website called Nitro Exchange. So let's go to nitroexchange.com and here tap on sign up. Now, if you already have an account here, you can just type in your account name and password and sign up or sign in. Now, once you're in, tap on the second icon from the top to make a new transaction. Now here, select Bitcoin from the options and type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Alright, now in the next option that says Receive Channel, choose PayPal from the list. Next, provide your email address and also your PayPal email address. And then tap on Continue. Now in here, confirm all the details are correct and tap on Submit. After this, copy the Bitcoin address and proceed to your wallet app. Now paste the Bitcoin address in your wallet app and copy the transaction ID. Now back in Nitro Exchange, you can paste here the transaction ID that you copied from your app. Now you can click on Confirm. Alright, so here you just have to wait for this transaction to finish processing and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.